When searching for roofing contractors in Memphis, avoid these common pitfalls. Always check for proper licensing and insurance to ensure credibility. Gather at least 3 quotes to compare prices and services. Don't ignore online reviews and testimonials. They reveal a contractor's reputation. Lastly, consider experience and quality, not just price. Here are some frequently asked questions about Memphis Roofing Contractors. We've been in business for over 10 years, offering quality roofing services. Yes, we provide free estimates and a wide range of services, including repairs, replacements, and installations. We are fully licensed and insured, and we offer warranties on materials and workmanship. Project duration varies, but we aim for timely completion. Financing options are available for qualified customers. We use high-quality materials from trusted manufacturers and can provide references from satisfied customers. To schedule a consultation, contact us at 901-295-3487. For the best skylight repair in Memphis, call us now or visit memphisroofingpro.com.